I don't know if this is going to appear backwards on your end, but try and follow along so that you can know how to do this activity, which is the DNA messages 1 through 30. It is front to back, and you will have to do this on scratch paper. There is no way to fill in everything you need on here. In order to do this activity, you need this sheet, and you also need the code for all of the transfer RNAs that you're going to get at the end. These codes are in DNA format, and you have to go through 3 iterations. Let me show you how that's done. I have part of the first code up here. I have the first 3 letters of the first word, and then this ACT, you'll see codes for a space, which you will see on your chart. This has some spaces on it. The others are letters. So you are given a DNA strand which has T's in it. What we're doing, the goal of this is to make a protein. That is the whole purpose of DNA, is to make proteins. It's the code that tells the body and the cells what to do with that information. So first, you have to turn DNA into messenger RNA. And we know that C goes with G, G goes with C, and we also know that T goes with A, and A goes with T in DNA. But we are dealing with RNA. In RNA, where you should have put a T, for example, here, A would normally go with T, you have to put a U. That's the only difference. So if you're dealing with RNA, you have no T's. Everything is a U if it's supposed to be a T. So I decoded the DNA into messenger RNA. Then you have to decode the messenger RNA into transfer RNA, which is this one. This is the one that takes it to the ribosome so that the ribosome can assemble the amino acids to make the proteins. I will show you an animation of this. If you want to go on YouTube and look up animations for protein synthesis, be my guest. I will show you on Friday so that you can, I can explain it. The tRNA codes here, and from that, you will use your chart to figure out what letters go with which code. So here is CCU. And I'm going to look on my chart for CCU, which is right here, and there's a G. And I'm going to put a G here. Then the next code is CUU, and I am going to find that that is an E. So I write an E. And then UGC. UGC is a T. Then ACU is a space. So the first word of the first sentence of the worksheet that you have to work on is get. Then there's a space, and there's more letters. I will tell you that the first sentence spells out get a hairy canary. So if you are able to decipher get a hairy canary, you have done it correctly. Good luck. Have fun. Talk to you later.